we opened up this, as you saw, which is part of the ventilation system. So, ventilation system, toilets, pissoir, and a sink. And almost the same over here as well. Toilet and sink. Perfect. Ventilation system in, main ventilation system for the sewer in. Goes right up through the bedroom up there, into the wall and down to the cellar. Haha, down here. Just another bucket for the debris pile. Well, I've cleaned up a little bit in here, moved the bricks out, done sweeping through so that it's a little bit tidier and there's not so much debris everywhere, which I think you'll agree looks much better. And yeah, we're going to have to do some bricking anyway. So kind of stored them around the place. In this small shower toilet room there will be another wall on the inside here because of the ventilation and the kind of installation shaft that's coming in. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do a little bit more bricking. And of course, like the other one is this one, this crack in the wall, which also leads to another ventilation point, and this is gonna have to be closed up sooner or later. So now that we're focusing basically on drains, we're going through the house making sure that all the drains are open, clean, ready for the next pipes to go in, and ready for the installation as we go step by step through the toilets and other areas. So I'm going down to the cellar again. So here's one in the middle, on the edge of the cellar, and I've got to get this guy cleaned up. Clean and open. So I just wanted to say Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great holiday, and we'll see you in the new year.